It is Wednesday night, about 11:15. First object of the night. Fairly bright, moving off to the east. Came straight out of the Gulf Coast. Tried a little interaction. Sort of been rainy and stormy here, but it's part of the sky's cleared up quite nicely. We have a partial moon peeping out onto the west coast right now. First one I've seen in several weeks. This object's just continuing on out. No blinkers. No change of speed. None of that, just boring. But hey, it is what it is. There it is. Let's see what else we can find. Next object. Heading off to the east, came out of the west. Quite bright. Very much distant though. It's a long ways off. It's also pretty good to note that it's not real high altitude. Not like the other objects. Seems to be some kind of thunderstorm. Somewhere I can see the lightning flashing off. The clouds way off in the distance. And hopefully it'll stay clear here. Now that is a lot of stars. And that is all to the west. That's a lot more stars than I've been able to see since I've been doing this in about a month. Considering the sun is the moon is just right there. So the moon is going to set in a little while, but that's a tremendous amount of stars. Haven't seen the clarity like this in a while. This is where all the multiple objects come into. Come from here, straight into here, wind up down here. Speaking of that, there goes another one. It's actually gaining altitude. It's not going down. It's going up. And there's another object that's headed down. Another one's flashing over here. That's a pretty big lightning bolt in the sky. Well, I'll be back and see what I can come up with. Well, never mind. No reason to leave when there's more coming. This object here climbs straight up. We ought to be able to see it up here. Looks like some cloud cover's moving in, so I'll see if I can catch it on the flip side. If not, I'll keep looking. Another object here, heading to the northeast. It's not exactly round either.